India's 18th Lok Sabha election has ended and the people of India have given their verdict. But the ruling BJP did not get single majority in the elections. So there is a lot of analysis going on. According to the analysts, this term city voters were the main voters of BJP. It is learned that the party's support has decreased in small towns and rural areas. A recent study shows that over 39% rural voters supported BJP in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, and the party got about 37% of votes in rural areas. And this term, more than 36% of voters of the small town have supported BJP. And in rural areas, BJP got 35% voter support. In the last polls, BJP got more than 33% urban votes. This time, he got 40% votes. On the other hand, the fortunes of Congress and Shama Jodha Party have changed by capitalizing on rural voters.
নগদে ৫০০ টাকা বা তার বেশি পেমেন্টে পেতে পারেন ঢাকায় জমিসহ ২০ কোটি টাকার পুরস্কার।